Hello everyone, welcome to prowebtips.com. Today we are going to see how to create a home page. If you have a website and you want to create a static page like landing page or something, you can see there this is a website prowebtips.com, and I have created the email capturing form and latest blog post, and there is a other uh, card style layout, so you can create like this. So we are going to learn how to create like this home page, so stay tuned. So first thing, Elementor page builder. This is a free page builder I have already downloaded, and activate this plugin. And after that we are going to set up the static page. So first thing, we are going to click the setting page. Okay, then click reading page. After then you can see there your home page displays. So there is selected your latest post. We are going to change a static page, so you can choose home page. So we are going to choose the home page, like there is not created any page, so I am going to select the sample page. You can also create first a page, after that you can select there. So I'm going to create a new page, label it home, then publish it. Now page is published, so we are going to close this tab and refresh this tab. Now select a static page. Now select, you can see there is a home, there is home, select this one, and post page you can select the blog page or everything. You then hit the save button. After that you can see the sample here by clicking visit the site. You can see there is nothing, so we are going to create a beautiful page. Then go to the pages. Okay, now find the home, there is home. We are going to click edit. And there is the some settings we are going to change. First is, so there is a default template, we are going to change Elementor full width. Okay, then update it. Okay, we are now in the page builder settings. So we are going to click the plus icon, select the structure. Okay, now we are going to give some space here. So there is a spacer, just drag and drop. Okay, you can change the space by pixel size. There is 50 pixels, so we are going to change 40. As much you want you can change there. And after that we are going to add more structure here. Okay, now we are going to add some more section or column. Okay, you can add column here by clicking right at your mouse. Otherwise you can also create through here. When you click the plus sign, then you can select the structure. If you want 4 column, 3 column, 2 column, or as much you want. So I want 3 column. so click here, and now we are going to put there some images and select image and copy and paste there. Okay, after that we are going to add some buttons, so just click here and select the button. Okay, align middle, copy it, paste in every column, and as you want you can give the name. I want to give there blog post blogs, and I want to give there news, I want to give there some other name like videos. Okay, and you can put the link here, or you can also put the link on image, so when people click the image they open your destination link. Okay, so like I want to give there the blog. Okay, blog. You can also set up the open a new window. When people click the blog button, there will open in new window. Okay, so update it. Now we are going to see, you can see there some changes. We are going to more accurate design, so we can put here images from your uploaded media, like there was our blog, so we are going to put the image here. Okay, like news, so we are going to put after that. Now we are going to give some space here. You can also change their background. You can add images or change color. If you want to change color like this, then you can see there I want to change color like some thing like this. Okay, and if you want to a card style, also click the border and create some radius. Okay, you can see this is amazing. Now we are going to fill all the column. Same color. .44. So we are going to create same as all 44. Okay, you also keep the distance between these two columns. So how we are going to change the column, you can see we are going to click here, and now the advance, and you click the margin or padding. Okay. So first we click this one, unlink the values. Now we are going to put the value on right side, so you can see the gap. I put the 6. Now we are going to also put the value on the middle column. Click advance, unlink the values, and first left side 6. Okay, now right side 6, and this one click here and click to advance, unlink the values, and first left side 6, then right side 6. Okay, now we are going to see as a responsive mode in mobile. Okay, you can see, and they also attached in there in mobile responsive page. So we are going to change top at 6 and bottom 6. Okay, and this one also top 6 and bottom 6. Also this one, unlink first top 6 and bottom 6. Okay, now you can see the gap in between all columns, and update it. Now you can see there is the post. Okay, how to put the post in a page, like select single section structure, then click the plus icon, and now we are going to add post grid. You can see there the post. Okay, so now you can make some changes, like there is a skin is classic, so we are going to change in cards mode. So there is some layout design, beautiful layout design, and now there's 3 columns. You can change 3 to 4 as you want, as much you want. So 3 is better, and post per page 6 is good. Show images, if you want to show images, then leave as it is, yes, or if you don't, then click no. You can see there I want yes, so I have not much images in my post. This is a demo post, so I have not much images. You can change the ratio of images. This is good. You can also hide the title if you want, but it is good for SEO. And if you hide excerpt, means this written portion, you can also hide like this. and show read more button. Avatar, this is the avatar. You can change also this, hide this. And if you want to add pagination, you can add there. Click the pagination and pagination numbers. Okay, you can click their numbers, so they will show the numbers of pagination pages. Okay, and update. Now we are going to see how look at this page look like. So you can see there, this is beautiful. You can also change the background colors. So we are going to add some more section. So give some spacer. You can add also divider if you want, and delete it and divider. Okay, and if you want to add your portfolio or something, you can also add there. And if you want to add a search form, you can also add a search form like this. Just wait a minute, give some space and search, drag and drop search form. Okay, you can see there. Okay, now update it. Okay, now we are going to see how it look like this. This is good. You can now search here. You can search anything from your page. So this is it, and we are going to see our in next video how to create a email capturing form or subscription form, pop-up forms, how to create. So stay tuned, or if you like this video, please hit the like button and the red subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.